Hello everyone, for today's video I will be sharing with you how to make calcium phosphate. Eggshells are a good source of calcium for plants. They help reduce flower drop and deficiency in chilies. However, the common thing that other gardeners make is topping the soil with eggshells. Now, the problem with this is that it takes a long time for it to decompose and release the nutrients. To fasten the release of calcium, today we will be making CalPhos. Get a jar or a container. Our ingredients are obviously eggshells and natural vinegar. For tools, you might need to use a measuring cup, a funnel, and a strainer. First, we need to sanitize the eggshells. Fry them until they are colored golden brown. Step 2. Mix 1 part of the eggshells and 1 part of vinegar. You would notice a reaction between the eggshells and the vinegar. This is because the acidic environment is removing the calcium on the shells. Once the activity is done, close it and wait for a month. Strain the solid materials. You may put this in your compost pile. Then collect the liquid. This organic fertilizer is also rich in phosphorus, so it is ideal to use if the crop starts to fruit. Mix 2 spoons per liter of water, and you can spray it or water to the plants. Store the concoction in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, consider hitting the like button and sharing this to your friends. If you have any suggestions or thoughts, leave it in the comment section. Feel free to check our Facebook page. I will put the link in the description below. If you want to see more contents like this, consider subscribing. This is Eggshells, signing out.